Good morning everyone, hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to my bathroom. I am in a hoodie and some leggings today, which can only mean one thing. It's sort your life out time. This one is the one I'm not looking forward to, although have I been looking forward to any of these? Probably not, to be honest. But today I'm going to be decluttering all of my health and beauty products, my hair stuff, my makeup, and I'm going to give the bathroom a really good deep clean because it really needs it. So that's what I'm doing in today's video, and I'm hoping I can start fresh and it'll be really nice. And just a heads up, today's video is very kindly being sponsored by Care Of. I'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, and thank you to Care Of for sponsoring this video. So, I think I need to show you what the bathroom looks like because it's really bad. Remember when my bathroom was nice and perfect and it just been finished? Well, this is what it looks like now. I think my storage systems are failing me a little bit. I need to sort this whole thing out, and this is where the fun begins. I've completely taken advantage of all of this storage and just shoved stuff in there. So I really want to make sure I declutter this today because I don't need this much stuff. This is way too much. The bathtub's not too bad. It needs a bit of a clean, but it's fine. And this area is cute. It's all right. I like it. And let me go show you my makeup and hair stuff as well so you can see truly how much stuff I have to work through today. Here's my desk. It's looking a lot more cluttered than it was last week when I was filming a Sort Your Life Out. If you spotted this on my desk, this is not what I'm drinking to cope with the decluttering, by the way. That is just a half-finished wine spritzer from last night. In this drawer here, as you might have seen last week, I put all of my makeup in here, but I didn't really sort through it because I knew I was gonna have to do this video at some point. Next to my makeup, I have a drawer that's supposed to be for hair tools, but I seem to have collected miscellaneous things in here. So I need to sort this out, and then this one is supposed to be eyelashes and nail stuff, but come on. I have to open these boxes every time I just want to get a nail polish out, which is not practical. I need to sort this out. Okay, so we got work to do. It's not too bad. However, look at this. This seems to be a box of products that I have from the bathroom and just old makeup-y bits. There is a peg in here. There's makeup. There's loads of stuff that needs to be sorted through in there. This is lesser used makeup and things, all needs to be sorted out. And then this is a bag that my nan gave me a few weeks ago with stuff from my old bedroom. And there's a flamingo floaty in there. Oh, that's my swimsuit. That's disgusting. That needs to go in the wash. Okay, there you go. So this needs to be sorted as well. And now there's loads of sand on the bed. So I'm going to start with the bathroom and make that all nice and tidy, give it a clean, and then I'm gonna come and do the makeup. Okay, I'm gonna make a start in here, but you know what will get us in the mood for some decluttering? Some nice royalty-free music. See what I did there? So this is the current state of the floor. I've pulled everything out and I've categorized it into boxes by type. And already I've been pulling stuff out that I think I'm not going to keep, but I do need to go through the rest. I've made so much progress going through all of this stuff. What I'm about to show you looks messy, but it's organized chaos, and I just want to clean everything before I start putting stuff back. So far, this is all I'm getting rid of. This stuff is for the bin and the recycling, and this is stuff I'm going to ask my friends and family if they want. This is a box of everyday products I'm going to keep out. And I also separated shampoos, conditioners and body washes that I'm going to put around the bath. So what am I keeping? I've got my hair stuff, my face stuff, tooth stuff. I've definitely got rid of a lot of travel stuff. And then I made a bag up with a small selection of things. So if I want to go anywhere on a spare of moment, I can just take that. This is summery stuff like sunscreen, and this is the health box, which I think looks much tidier now. And I do have a box full of duplicates of things I'm actually going to use, so I'm going to keep this under the sink. Now that I've sorted through all of that stuff, I'm going to arrange it by category in boxes and stash it under the sink so you can't see it. But first of all, I've got to clean the surfaces. That's going to be fun. Managed to do everything in the bathroom. I've organized all of the under sink storage, everything's tidy and it's clean, deep clean mind you. So let me show you what it's looking like. So this is how the bathroom's looking now. It's so much better. This is all nice and clean and tidy. I had a little shuffle around on the shelves, but they haven't really changed much, to be honest. And then this is where all of the big changes have happened, and this looks so much different to what it looked like this morning. The sink is all lovely and clean, and then underneath, oh, I just fell in the toilet. This is how everything's looking underneath, and it's so much tidier. Everything is arranged by categories. At the bottom, I've just got backups of things and my travel bags. And then at the top, I've got travel minis, some skincare, summer products, hair care, a box full of tissues, and health stuff. I'm so pleased with how that turned out, but I'm even more pleased with how the shelf is looking. This is how it's looking now. It's so much more streamlined, and I've only got the things I actually need and use on it. At the bottom here now, I can store the hand towels and flannels. Then we've got the cotton pads and cotton buds, and this is all my everyday face products and body products. And this is what the top is looking like. And I'm really pleased that I have the space now, so I have somewhere to put my Care Of vitamins. So A, I can see them every morning and take them, and B, because they actually look really cute. Look at this packaging. So as I mentioned earlier, Care Of are kindly sponsoring this video. They sent me a vitamin pack to try for myself recently, and I've actually really been loving it. It kind of takes the pressure off knowing kind of what you need to be taking, because it's based upon your needs. So you can go online and you can fill out the quiz, and it will suggest to you the vitamins that will help alleviate some of the problems that you might be having. A month's supply comes in a box like this, which I think looks really pretty, so you can see why I want it on my bathroom counter. Also, it's a handy place to have it so I don't forget to take them. And the daily packs look a little something like this. Of course, yours probably wouldn't say Hi Hermione on it unless you wanted it to, but that's something I like about them. They're custom, so you know they're for you. If you never had your name on a keyring as a child, as did I, it's sad, isn't it? You can rejoice in the fact that your vitamins can come customized too. In my pack, I have a B complex for my hair, and I also have a couple of other vitamins for my general overall health and energy levels. And I've noticed recently that I felt a lot less sluggish. My Zumba class last night, I did the whole thing. I only had like a couple of breaks to sip a little bit of water. I didn't even sit down once for a whole hour. So I don't know, I do feel like a lot more energized than I did. If you want to try Care Of for yourself, you can check the link out that's in the top line of the description for 50% off. So now that I have the bathroom tidy and all my daily necessities in easy reaching distance, I think it's time that we tackle the makeup. Hey guys, it's day 2. Last night I spent time categorizing all of my makeup, and I just did a little bit more now. This is all of my makeup, all in one place, and my nail supplies, and this is all my hair stuff. I know I get shocked every time I look at all my stuff like this, but this one in particular got me because I really didn't think I had that much makeup. My makeup routine in the morning is incredibly simple. It takes me like 10 minutes. I use the same products every single day. I rarely stray from them. then why do I have this much stuff? I really don't know. For example, this is all of the lip products I have. Let me tip it out just to show you. All of this, that is absolutely ridiculous. And you wanna know what I wear on a daily basis? This one, just this one. And maybe a gloss, so maybe that one too. Brace yourselves guys, I'm about to do a decluttering montage. However, my goal for this is fill the drawer back up with my everyday products, and then this is for backup products and anything I use on a less regular basis. But the rest has gotta go. Okay, do you want to see how I got on? Well, the floor looks like this now. So this is what I'm keeping. Ideally, I'd like to get rid of a few more of these, but I think I'd like to try a few of them because they're actually kind of interesting colors that I didn't realize I had. That's my nail stuff. I have one of these, but then half of them don't even fit in it. Like, Essie, what are you doing? You used to be so good. You used to be square. So I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't use it. I've also washed all of my brushes and they're here drying. I know this is an extortionate amount of brushes, but I do use them all, I promise. So I'm not gonna declutter those just yet. Now I'm gonna fill this up and organize all my daily products as well. Now I'm gonna put all my daily makeup back in this drawer and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, we've had a casualty and it didn't sound good. I'm nervous. No! That's so sad, that's my favorite shade. Oh dear. Slightly heartbroken, but I will move on. Okay, I'm done. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm so pleased it's over, to be honest. I'm gonna show you what everything looks like all in place and all the organization systems. So here's my good old trusty desk, and in the makeup drawer, this is what it looks like. So from left to right, I have setting sprays, face products, eye products, large eye palettes, lip things. This is full of tools, and this is moisturizers. And this is a really cute headband from the Body Shop that I use when I put my makeup on. So I'm gonna put that back in there. These baskets are from Poundland. They're 2 for £1. I have loads of them all over the house. The only thing I'm annoyed about is that they don't fit lengthways, so I can't put 4 in, but it's fine. And in the middle, I just rearranged my hair stuff. I didn't really show you decluttering this because I only got rid of 2 hairbrushes. Everything else is as it was. I've just got my hair tools, and then I put all my little extra bits and bobs in this box here with my brushes, and that's nice and streamlined now. And I had a little sort out of the shelves and moved some stuff around so that I could put the nail varnish boxes and the extra makeup on the shelves so that it's accessible. So this is all of my nail polish, and this is all the extra makeup that I will use eventually. So I've taken these down just to show you quickly what's inside, but basically these boxes are just nail things. And this top one is just for extra nail varnish remover pads. These are like the special ones, I guess. Some nail glue and eyelash adhesive. And this guy's pretty self-explanatory because I already have these tags on for each category, but I just put all my extra lip products and things in there. Can you see it? I can't tell, I have to stand on my tiptoes. There we go. So that's that all done. Oh yeah, and all my brushes are clean now, so I've put them on the desk. And this is all the stuff I'm decluttering. It doesn't look like much, but trust me, it's a lot. I got rid of everything that was out of date. Anything that can go to the charity shop, I'll send there, and anything that can go to friends and family, I'll distribute. And then I found all of these Lush containers. I'm gonna give them a better clean and take them back to Lush, because I think you can get a free face mask when you hand them back in. I'm gonna bag this stuff up, but I'm not gonna bore you with that footage. But this is all that's going. So with all of that stuff, I also managed to get rid of a whole shopping bag of bathroom products that I gave to my aunt yesterday, and another shopping bag worth of dud products, things that were out of date, and old packaging. So I feel so good because all of that stuff was completely cluttering up my life, and now it's gone. Anyway, I hope this video inspired you guys to declutter any of these items that you might have lying around. And if you do, let me know. Send me a message or tag me on Instagram or something. I'd love to see it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Happy decluttering, and I'll see you next time. Bye.